So hello, we're looking in your portfolio on page 174, and we have here an argument example. An argument states a claim and supports it with logical reasons and relevant evidence from sources. So an argument states a claim and supports it with logical reasons and relevant evidence from sources. There's three parts to an argument. The thesis statement. The thesis statement clearly states the writer's claim and tells what the writer will explain about the topic. That's the thesis statement. The supporting paragraphs support the claim with reasons and evidence from sources. Sources. The articles that we read are sources. The writer also presents counterclaims, what the other side thinks, counterclaims, and responds with strong evidence. And the third part is the conclusion. The conclusion statement restates the writer's claim about the issue. Okay, so what do you think? Why do you think it? What do the other people think? Why are you right? What do you think? Again, what do you think? Why do you think it? What do the other people think? But why are you right? What do you think? As we analyze this sample, we're going to circle the writer's claim. We're going to underline and label two reasons that support the writer's claim with the letter R. We're going to underline and label 4 pieces of evidence that support the writer's claim with the letter E. We're going to draw a box around a counterclaim. Okay, draw a box around a counterclaim. Underline, underline, circle. And we're going to star precise words and check academic words. Okay. After examining the issues surrounding online learning, I am convinced that states should require students to attend digital classes. That's the thesis statement. Where's the claim? I am convinced that states should require students. Okay, so that is the claim. States should require students to attend digital classes. One reason I maintain this position is that online courses will ensure that students will be able to take classes required for graduation, despite a lack of teachers. In more pupils are learning online, fueling debate on quality, Trip Gabriel presents strong data regarding the positive consequences of virtual courses. For example, Miami schools would have failed to accommodate all students due to a lack of teachers, but 7,000 high school students were able to access necessary course materials through online courses. From Gabriel, page 76. Opponents of online courses tend to highlight that the quality of the education isn't comparable to that offered in conventional schools. Let's read that again. Opponents of online courses tend to highlight that the quality of the education isn't comparable to that offered in conventional schools. Opponents. Okay, but this says that online classes are good. We should be required. So when you talk about what the other side thinks, the opposition, That is called our counter argument or counterclaim. So what I think, why, what the other side thinks, but why I'm right. However, current data actually demonstrate that the research on the effectiveness of online courses is inadequate in order to back up that claim. I am also in favor of state-mandated online courses due to the benefits they provide students. Adele Birkeness emphasizes in Cyber Students that online courses prepare students for college and the 21st century workplace. One particularly compelling statistic is that an estimated 1/3 of all college students take a minimum of one online course. Whether states mandate that students should take online courses will remain a controversial issue. After reviewing relevant data, I contend that states should require online courses for students. And this is your conclusion. Again, look at what you need to do. Underline and label 2 reasons with the letter R. Underline and label 4 pieces of evidence with the letter E. We already have the counterclaim and the claim, and then precise vocabulary words. When you finish that, reread the sample essay and ask yourself these questions. 1, insufficient, not good enough. So, And then 4 is, yay! Sufficient is a little smile. And developing, kind of getting there. Does the thesis statement clearly state the claim? Yes. Do supporting paragraphs begin with a topic sentence that specifies a reason? Specifies means gives. So go through each question and rate your answer based on what you see here. I'll give you about 10 minutes. Thank you.